Okay, good morning. Now, guys, we are now in the London session. So this is a live trading session with myself. So usually you guys know I strictly trade the London session, at least sharing trade ideas. I may enter the New York session, but I don't necessarily share it to the community. As you know, I share trade ideas on Vibrata, in the IM Academy. So let's go. So this might just be a very quick process. Literally a few minutes earlier, I was analyzing the market. I did a live analysis, quick glance into the pairs that I'm going to be looking at and sharing with the community. So I've already done my 19 pairs. I've already analyzed my 19 pairs, and now I'm just looking at the ones that excite me. So we get started with the US 30s. You guys know I love the indices, and I think we are about set to go. Okay, so that's 350 pips. This is, yep, 350 pips. So a bit of a rejection here. Rate retest and now continuation. So I feel like TP1 is around about here. Let's just do this here. About there. TP1 is 30 pips. TP2 is 150 pips. TP3 is 300 pips. Okay, guys. So I'm looking at 300 pips on US 30. So usually, okay, so I am, yep, analyzer. So I look at this again. Okay, so rejection, continuation, and now it's just boom, dropped. So it's going to try and test this high or this previous high here, which is about what? Let's see. Let me put exact. People love exact locations, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make it easy. So TP1 is 85 pips, TP2 is about 160 pips, TP3 is about 300 pips, thereabouts. So it will retest this here for the previous low here, and then continue. So if you don't mind a drawdown, I think there's going to be minimal drawdown in this one. I think the impulse up is really, really strong. So I would jump in for a buy, DJ. So DJ trade. Let's do a buy there. So I'll just say get ready, get ready, get ready. Usually I alert people so you can see on my Telegram. Just put them together so that you can see what I do. This is my channel. So this is where I post. You can see this is today. In the morning I posted a message. So I'm just going to alert, send another one. So the first trade I'm looking at is Let's buy now US 30. Okay, and I'm buying at 26, 10. I'm seeing 300 pips. TP3. TP1. So I'm trying to give guys exact entries and exits. So TP1 is 30 pips. TP2 is going to be TP2 is just what? TP2 is 26, 294.86. Two six rather. 26294.86. Okay, that's TP2. So TP1 is going to be 26240. TP3 is 2675.83, right? So this is like what, 80 pips. What is 26294? This is about 100 pips.
I tried to remove
Feel that it wash it for you. To soak it. That plastic, you shouldn't eat with it, by the way. Sorry, guys. As I told you, I'm at home with my baby. It's taking me longer to type out these things. Oh God, oh God, oh God. I'll just give TP1 and 2. And 30. Rejection, base, flow, up. So it's come to really rejected that zone. Let's look at the daily. Let the trade come to me. The trade, let's look at the 4 hour. Nice setup here. Continuation, bam. So German 30, I also enter on a buy before. I just want to see how it looks on demo. So that's the first trade idea. So let's do select all, copy. Trade number 2 by German 30. 12, 6, 14. 7, 0. So German 30, let's look on the 30 minutes. Retest. So 30 pips obviously is so 12 becomes 12, 6, 44.70, and then 80 pips from that would be, no, let's see. A 100 pips, so 100 pips on that would be 12, 6, 12 rather 514.70. And on the daily, what am I looking at the intraday potential? I'm just going to wait on the indices before I call them out because they seem to be moving a certain way. I think that's about it on the intraday. I think it's exhausted over there. Like beyond 130 pips. I don't see that happening. So 5-1, 44. But we'll wait on this one because I know it's very possible. Let's look at the dollar index. Dollar index looks like it wants to push up. So that's why I'm holding on the buy. Because if it's pushing up, then that means you could see a drop in the indices. Because remember, guys, indices are basically traded against the dollar. So if the dollar is going up, then definitely that means that indices are dropping. Let's look at this. Very bullish, very bullish. I mean bearish, sorry, very bearish. But so maybe there's still some ways to go. Let's remove this. Maybe it'll drop a couple before it goes back up. That's very possible. But let's look at NAS. a very bullish candle. So it's possibly possible. Looks like a wait trade. So as we're waiting on the indices, okay, guys, I was going to call them, but I've just had another glance and I'm like, let me wait. I would rather wait for the pullbacks to end and then we look at our entries. That's trading for you. Retested the previous. This is not really a rejection, so this is more like consolidation. So I'm waiting to see a rejection here or a break. Okay, when I see a rejection or a break, then I'll know what direction to take, because it's possible that this will drop also. That's another possibility, that it would drop. Let me just change the colors here, they're a bit too bright for me. So it's possible it would drop 220 pips. That's what it's beginning to look like. But let's wait and see. If it breaks this, then we know. Like, this is a very strong rejection zone, okay? So let me just draw the rejection zone. So it might try to like come all the way down, okay, to this rejection zone, bounce off, and then go and retest the previous high. So let's see.
For one and all, you see your power into vegetable. Your power will grow into your soul.
So I'm waiting. In the meantime, let me look at the other pairs. Let's see if we can get into. I'll leave gold for now. Let's look at AUD/USD. Doing the same thing, trying to retest this zone. It will probably bounce off, reject, and continuation up. That's what I'm seeing.
You get your nature power.
Same with AUD/JPY.
And you are nature way below. Your nature progress and global progress.
So let's hold on those pairs for now. Let's do GBP/USD. GBP/USD. Don't worry, guys. When we get a trade, we gonna get a trade. Okay, so GBP/USD is a trade I want to take now. Here's the thing. Just cut and paste the previous trades, but I saved them for later on this morning. So I'll just pick another trade. I think GU is ready. Okay, guys, so GU is ready. It's ready. Should go. It's a go. So buy. Just gonna buy GBP/USD. I'm gonna sell GBP/USD 1.2502. 252, sorry, 25205. So my intraday potential is basically 75 pips. So I'll put it at 100 pips on G. Yeah, 100 pips. So 10 to 20 pips. And then the take profits. Wait. Let me make this a bit more clear. I'll give take profit 1 and take profit 2. Okay, so this is literally okay. Wait, mom, let me. TP2 is 1.2. 1.3. What is TP2? Purple one. So 1.34541. Wait, 224. 26205. .25. 25405. This is slower, guys. Like actually calculating the TPs as well. Oh my God. It's like pulling teeth. Honestly, it's like pulling teeth. Two, four, five. It's sell. G is a sell. So I go into this, you see how slow this is? I'm just doing trade by trade by trade. So sell GBP USD. Entry is 1.25205. 30 minutes TP1 is 1.25005. TP2 is 1.2524599. TP3 is 1.24205. Sell 30 pips. Intraday. So guys, I've just called out the first trade, which is GBP USD. Okay, so that's it as sell. Intraday potential 100 pips. Done. Takes so much time. It's wasting time for all these other trades that are working. So let's look at GBP, JPY. Is it doing the same thing? Okay, so TP for GBP, JPY, 190. So this is a final TP. There we go. And then, so my entry is 134,293. So 20 pips is 134.093. And then TP2, let's see, TP2. TP2 can be, wait, TP2 is here. $33.732. Then TP3 is a 103.096. Intraday potential, I'm looking at 130 pips. We're live, guys. I've just sent the second trade, which is GJ, and I have to post it in the group. Sell GBP, JPY. Sell is 134.293. 30-minute time frame, 133. Oh yeah, 134, sorry, 134.093. TP2 is 133.732 and TP3 is 133.096. SL is 30 pips. Intraday potential, this is 130 pips. Intraday potential. Wow. Sell. Second trade out, guys. 10, but I have 8 more trades to give out at least. So let's look at GBP. What else did I look at? AUD. I'm gonna forget about GBP AUD for now. Wait, let me just look at it again. The trade I really was looking at was GA is looking good. Like it's definitely, let's look at the 30 minutes. It's definitely pulled back. This is the first zone, right? So rejection, right? It rejected, came down, so it's gonna retest, okay, a previous high, and then come down and probably continue up. We'll see. I'll jump into that. The one I wanted to look at was EuroCAD. EuroCAD is doing its buy. So EuroCAD is a buy. EuroCAD. People, where is EuroCAD on the? Where is EuroCAD? Surely. I'm typing EuroCAD trade right now. This is our third trade. Entry price is 1.54564. It's a buy. 20 pips would be 1.54764. And then I need to look at the, let's see. 250. So I would look at 100 pips from the entry. So 1.54, no, 5564. 1.5, wait, 1.555564, 64 like that. Yeah. And then, yeah. I'm looking at 100 pips on EuroCAD. I'm not seeing anything more on EuroCAD right now. So 100 pips. So that's it. So third trade idea is out by EuroCAD. My God, my throat, guys. Can somebody send me some, you know what I mean? Drink or cool drink? I think it's 1 point. So I'm doing 20 pips, 54764. And TP2 is 1.55564. It's 100 pips target intraday, so it's 100 pips. AKA Miss Fierce. We're doing slow on time, guys, so let's look at another pair. Let's look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP is doing the same thing. Let's look at the 30 minutes. It's rejecting. Looks like it's rejecting. I kind of feel like let's see. I'm gonna wait on that one. I'm gonna wait on that. It's looking to me like a buy, but I wanna wait on it. Yeah. I want to see if price is exhausted with rejecting. I think it might be because it's been here quite a bit. It's retested that. Try to retest again. Yeah, so I feel like it will continue up. So I think Euro GBP we're good. So copy, paste. Oh, wait. Now what is happening, guys? I'm literally posting trades on 2 channels. It's just not working out. You understanding? Like it's just not working out. So Euro GBP, let's buy Euro GBP. Let's buy Euro GBP. Where's Euro GBP on my? So Euro GBP, I'm putting a buy on Euro GBP. That's a 4th trade idea. Guys, imagine I have to copy paste. Oh God. It's so tedious. Like I need, because the time I spend typing out these things, man. So 0.990519, we're racing against time. TP1 is 0.90. It's a buy, so 719. Then TP2 is TP2 is what I want to get at. TP2 could be like, let's see. So this is the final TP. So TP2 is 0.91366. 100 pips, 0.91366. Let's see, 30-minute trades chart. I think there's an exhaustion here. In terms of rejection, so it will just continue. Buy Euro GBP. So my 4th trade idea is buy Euro GBP. Fourth trade is out. Whoa. I am typing these things out isn't easy, guys. So just bear with me, just bear with me, just bear with me. Did I call out GBPCHF? Did I? I should have. I'm now putting in the fifth trade, guys, on GBPCHF. Okay, fifth trade, 1.17713. 20 pips is 1.17513. 7513, that's 20 pips, and then TP2 is 1 point. See, 100 pips, 1.7, actually 1.6713, 67713. Copy, paste. So GBP. I'm sure by now the indices are just about ready. Oh, that's the fifth trade out, guys. This is pressure. I'm literally typing in multiple time groups and whatnot. Okay, so DJ, thank God I didn't call DJ, guys. Are you seeing this? And that's why it's good to wait. You wait for the trade to just tell you what it's doing. So DJ is literally, we are gonna watch it. It's on the 9-minute candle. So we're just gonna watch it for now. Let's look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I said sell. Why did I say sell? Looks like a buy. Euro AUD looks like a buy. Looks like it wants to test previous, although I don't think it's really worth taking. Let's look at Euro NZD. If I look at, yeah, Euro NZD looks like it wants to break. It's rejecting here, but I feel like it's a continuation. So base, pull back. Looks like we'll retest, then continuation. Looks like we'll retest, then continuation. Let's see. Yep, looks like it will retest, then continuation all the way up. So that's 100 pips. Or yep. Let me just take a on my demo, see how it moves. It's on the resistance. So we could just be about to break to the upside. 6 minutes, we can wait on that, but I can be typing it. It just looks like a better trade than Euro AUD. Euro NZD looks like a much better trade.
Easy.
Waiting for the 5-minute candle to end, and then I can call out the Euro NZD trade. And I believe by that time, US, excuse me, US 30 and German 30 will have finished doing their retest. So this looks like a rejection. Yep. This looks like a rejection, guys. So I'm anticipating a pull-up. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. There is no hurry in Africa. It could also be an exhaustion point where the rejection is not, because yeah, you know, it's come up here quite a number of times. So it could also be an exhaustion point where it's just like, you know what, we're done, like struggling to go up. Let's just keep going down. So that's a possibility. So that's why I'm gonna just wait, look at what the next candle is telling me. Let's go back to Euro NZD. Very strong candle, very strong candle. I feel like it will retest and then continue up. Retest and continuation. Actually, I'll just give it a go. So 6th trade, copy into seconds. Euro NZD. We're 1.73924 minutes. 1.73. No, 1.74124. I don't even have really written the numbers of the 7, 4, 8, 10. That potential is that's the 6th trade, guys. That's out in the. Yep, our first trade idea went out today at exactly 10:30. So 6 trades in half an hour. We're doing good. I think I just want to look if we can do like 4 more trades. Let's see how Euro JPY is looking. I think Euro JPY has retraced as anticipated, but I believe strong move up. A rejection here. Up, wait, drop, retest, drop, retest, rejection. This is a really interesting zone. So it'll probably retest this high before dropping down. One minute on the candle. Trading is all about waiting. I feel like there's a bit of an exhaustion. But let's see. What's the 4 hour telling me? Yep. 4 hours giving me good vibes. So this is a very let's see. So 1 hour telling me. Did I give Euro entities a trade idea? Yes, I did. That's an engulfing candle though. but it's rejected. I feel like it still has to, oh, it did feel like it did. This is a drop coming, so I wanna see what happens here. This just looks like a point of exhaustion, like it's tired of pushing up now. So it's tried feebly. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the news here. It says, warning bid, virus flares, China-US tensions, quash global stocks rally. Just confirming what I'm thinking. Excuse me. And I feel like AUD's upward momentum was already done. Yeah, I feel it like it's done. It's a wrap. So those are the next three pairs I'm calling, then I call it a day. So that's US 30, German 30, AUD USD, and AUD JPY. I think their rally is just about done. Just about done. Yep. Once I do that, I think we're good to go for the day. For the day, people, for the day. This is a waiting game, guys. You wait. All signs show you. Like now, what has happened? This was a rejection. Okay, it's retested. So I feel like it's going to come and retest this previous low. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm on about. This one here. But I'm waiting for the retest to kind of end. You know, I feel like it's gonna just break. And so I'm waiting for the retest up here. Yeah, to try and retest up here and then make its feeble attempt at breaking this high, and then we can enter. Let it retest. Let's look at German 30. What is the German 30 tell? You see, so it's rejected this, okay? But let's set this up again. I don't think I've updated my markings. I also think there's a lot going on my chart. Oh, don't mind me, people. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to figure out everything. This is a bearish engulfing candle, definitely. Okay, maybe not fully, actually not. So there's a lot of consolidation. I'm not jumping in just yet. Yeah, this consolidation here shows you a bit of also, there's exhaustion, like it's trying to, but it's failing. So the push down is stronger, and this could just be a flag as well here. So let's see. So much consolidation. We're gonna wait, guys, we're gonna wait. So far though, I've already called out 6 trades. I'm looking to call out 3 more trades or 4 more trades. and then we call it a day. If I don't, 6 trades are not bad, but a day is not complete without the indices. So I'm waiting for the setup for the indices to just, start looking a bit snazzy. It's been on a rise here, but I think it will retest and then continue up. And that's what I'm waiting for, the exhaust. Like, this is an exhausted area, really exhausted. Like, it's really trying to push up, but it's like feeble attempts. This candle here just looks tired, frail, and so, but this is a waiting game and I enjoy waiting. I want to enter on the drop. Test. I want to see if it scales past this 12642.15 here, then yeah, we're up. But I'm waiting to see what happens at that zone. At this zone, you see this zone here? Let's just draw a mark. Let's just mark up so you can see what I see. If it crosses here, then boom, yes. But if it rejects like it has here, then we are done. We're on a downtrend. See what's happened? I like what I'm seeing. Guys, we're just waiting, so I'm just waiting. Let's look at the GBP pairs. Retesting and then continuation down. That's fine. Gold. Now, gold, on the other hand, let's look at gold again. It's come, pushed up, immediate drop, pushed up again, drop, drop, base, rally, drop, base, rally. So it's retested, and then now, so gold is moving up. That's definite. Gold is moving up. Gold is just waiting for the candle to make up its mind. 76 pips and then 140 pips. So I'm just going to enter on my demo as I wait for the perfect entry. You guys know what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for the sell for retested. I'm looking for the sell signal for the indices and for yep. Guys, we are waiting. This is a live trading session. This is how we do it. We'll later give summaries. Oh. Sorry, I was just gulping down water. Actually, lukewarm herbal tea. Yep, just do the rejection. Price is exhausted. You see, it came back up here. Feeble attempt at trying to break this high. Let me show you what I mean. This high was unable to break this high, okay? Feeble attempt, feeble. So now, I think I can give a sell, a good sell. We're currently not doing badly. Most of our trades given out today are in blue already. They're past entry. Guys, we gotta wait. Oh, nice. AUD is looking pretty. AUD. Yeah. Yep. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. It's right bang smack. So this is a bullish, almost a bullish engulfing candle. Bearish, sorry guys. This is a bearish engulfing candle. It's gone to the previous rejection zones here. We're just waiting. This drop just wow, erased yesterday's highs completely. Yeah, this thing is dropping for sure. For sure. Okay, it's 11:20. I think I should bring the call to the call to an end because we are just waiting for US 30 to just, I really think it's getting ready for a drop. Really serious drop. So I'm waiting for this 10. So we wait 10 minutes and then we can. I'm gonna call them right now, by the way. So there are 3 trades here to call. So paste. So I'm gonna do. So I'm typing in US 30 and German 30 trades and then 26,179. So 26, 25, 9, 79, and then US 30. Let's see where you're headed. Yeah, here. Yeah. First TP is 25,853. No, TP2 25,853. What I'm seeing is like plus 350 pips. So we have 8 minutes on the candle, guys. I want to see if it'll try and pull back up or it'll just now. I think once I see the bearish candle, I think we're good to go. So on German 30, on the other hand, twelve six 30. 6 minutes on that candle, guys, and then I think we can call it, we can call some of the trades out. Just retested. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Minimal drawdown. That's what I'm looking for, guys. That's why I'm being very careful. I see it has retested. Retest. It's trying to retest that again. Four more minutes, guys. I think it's making a feeble attempt to break that high, but I don't think it's going to succeed. 3 more minutes in the candle, guys. 3 more minutes in the candle. 3 more minutes in the candle. Uh, 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 3 more minutes, 2 more minutes. Two more minutes and we're about to call some awesome trades and just jump out in good blue. All the other trades we've called, guys, are in good blue or are in blue. At least I'm sure somebody has gotten like 10 pips somewhere. So I anticipate the same thing's gonna happen just now. 45 seconds left on this candle. 45 seconds. I think it's making it's gone back, it's retested the previous rejection, made a feeble attempt at trying to go past that. So I'm very bullish right now, although we wait and see. Just waiting to see, guys. New candle has formed. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Yes. I have to look for my Baba. There could be, yeah. Someone hiding. But maybe I can't see it. Maybe that's stepping. Look, something. I think it's gonna be the rock. No. No.
This is a drop, rejection. A base. A base, rally up. Drop, base, rally up. Okay. Guys, this is going to be a sell. So let's just be patient. I think I need to, because it's 11:33. We've done this for like an hour. I was hoping that we could enter the trade right now. Let's see.
Okay. No, not there. I'm feeling busy. But I can't keep and walking a good one. Right.
Okay, German 30 is just about. So guys, I've given another trade, 2 more trades. I've just thrown them in there. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm excited, guys. I've just managed to drop 2 trades. Let's hope they go well. Let's hope they go well. So I need to put them on the vibrata. So that everyone, oh my God, market is moving really fast. So let's do this. Sell US 30. Yeah, baby. I love it when I end the day with IG. I love it when I end the day with an industry. Like I can't end my day without indices. Like it's like, oh my God, how? 25979. 25853. Sell. Set your own TPs, guys. Your SLs, I mean, intraday on US 30 is 350 pips, guys. Intraday potential. Did I put that? Yeah, potential. Okay, US 30 is out. Now I'm doing German 30 out. German 30 is 12616.30. One, 2, 5, 9, 7, 9. One, 2, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. 0.30, and then we have 12409.91. So I sell precision intraday. It's 300 pips. Day. Yeah, man. Guys, those are 8 trades. Okay. Math is a problem. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's a wrap. We've done 9 trades today. Actually, is it 9? 8 trades today. I might give 2 more and then it's a wrap for the day. But yeah, I think we've done well today. Being the first day of trading. Being the first day of trading. This will just retest and drop. That's okay. So yeah, it's going to come back here, retest and drop again. Like just put your TPs and your SLs in the right spots and you'll be good to go. We have one more trade, gold. I keep saying I'm done, but I'm like, I just throw this gold trade. Gold is on a support right now as we speak. It's retested that support. It's tried to break through that support. It's just not able to break through that support. Very strong resistance and support area. right about here. It has retested, okay? Buy gold. I think you better buy gold. 80 pips, and then 140 pips. Guys just need to buy gold. Okay, guys, we can maybe wait for gold, then we can call it a day. It's been consolidating. So if you notice what's been happening, it just keeps on being rejected. Every time it comes here, rejection. Rejection. Here it's at the bottom, so try to reject. Kind of lost momentum. But there's a strong rejection to the upside. So I'm just like, hey. All signs for me on the 30-minute are just telling me, just go up, baby, just go up. Just buy. One 1801.21, 1802.03.21, and then the next 1808.441, and then 140 pips. Let's say 150. I think I'm buying gold. Done. I'm done with gold. I'm done. So guys, that's a wrap. Final trade. Buy gold. That's 1801.21. And then, of course, on the 30-minute entry, 1803.21. And then 1808.441. Yeah. 30 pips intraday. 150 pips intraday potential. Done. Ladies and gentlemen, and it's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow we do this all over again.